Hey guys, welcome to Inu Virtual Funding. My name is Kyle from Inu Virtual Funding team. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can register in Inu Virtual Funding and how you can take the challenge in Inu Virtual Funding without paying any fee. Okay. So here you can see we are on the official website of Inu Virtual Funding. Okay. So here you will find the button to take the challenge without paying any fee, okay, with $0. Okay, so if you scroll down, then also you will find and other buttons also. Okay, so you need to click on these buttons. Okay, just click on this button and we'll move forward to the registration page. Okay, so here you can see there is a registration page. Now we'll take the challenge. Okay, so here you need to put your name, your email ID. Okay, so this is my email ID, and here you'll put your address. Okay, and your country. Currently I'm in UAE, and state, and your city, and your complete address, and your date of birth. Okay, so let's check the date of birth. Okay, so put your zip code and your mobile number and your password, whatever you want to use. Okay, and here you need to select the challenge type. So here you will get 1 step and 2 steps. It depends on you which challenge you are going to take. Okay, so I'm taking 1 step, and here you can decide your account size, and here you can see the fees is also there. Okay, so this fees is required when you will pass your challenge account. Okay, then you need to pay the security fee, and this is fully refunded with your funded account. Okay, so let's click on the register. Everything I have filled completely, and let's click on register. Okay, you can save the details if you want, and after that after registration you will see a pop-up. Okay, so verify your email. Please check your inbox to verify your email address. Okay, so after registration we need to check our email account. Okay, so let's refresh this. Okay, let's see if we have received any email or not. Okay, so just waiting for the verification mail. We need to wait for a few minutes. Okay, all right. Okay, then we will able to log into our dashboard. Okay, no issue. If you didn't find the mail in inbox, then check your junk mail. Okay, so here you can see in junk folder. So sometimes we receive the mail in inbox. Okay, but sometimes it happens we receive the mail in junk. Okay, so it's rarely happened we receive the mail in junk email. No issue. Okay, so just click on the mail and click on the verify my mail button. Okay, so here you can see my login details. So just like this you will get the email. Okay, and where you find the mail button. Okay, button. Okay, so to verify your account, so click on this button and click on visit link, and here you can see I have verified my account. Okay, so here you can see my email account, my name, and here you can see the information about my challenge which I have taken. Okay, so I have taken the 1 step and account size 10,000, and here you can see it is active. Okay, and let's move to the dashboard. Okay, so click to visit your dashboard, click on the dashboard, and here you can see everything related to my account. So here you can see the balance. Okay, the challenge amount I have selected. Okay, and here you can see the 1 step challenge. Here you will check your growth and everything on this dashboard, the profit target. So I need $800 to pass this challenge. Okay, and here you can see the daily loss level is 300 and overall loss is 600. Okay, and my target is 800 to get the 200 the profit 800. Then I'll receive then I'll pass the account. Okay, so here you can see inactive base. Okay, so like this. Okay, after passing the challenge, this button will be visible to you. It will be enabled.